Let's move to the design section to make your bio page visually appealing. Let's preview how it looks on desktop. Hey there! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning bio page using 6mm.in. Accelerating your success. 6mm.in. One smart link for all. Short URLs, QR codes, and bio pages. Track clicks. Boost reach. For creators, brands, and businesses. Let's begin the tutorial. First, log in to your dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Bio Pages. Now, hit the Create Bio button. Give your bio page a name, and then set an alias. That's basically your custom link. So, for example, your final link will look like 6mm.in/artistpooja. Click on the Create button to move ahead. Next up, click here to upload your avatar. Once it's uploaded, you'll see exactly how it looks right here. To start adding content, click on Add Link or Content. You'll see a pop-up with everything you can add, like links, taglines, headings, plain text, dividers, or even custom HTML. With all these options, you can build a full, personalized bio page, complete with images, videos, and more. You can add your phone number, V-card, PayPal button, WhatsApp call, WhatsApp message. All of these can be added from here. I'll now add some sample content and widgets. To add a WhatsApp call button, click here and enter your phone number. Give it a label. Click on Advanced Settings for more options. If you want this block to be visible only to users from specific countries, list those countries here. Similarly, you can choose the language. For example, only users with Hindi selected as their language will see this block. You can also schedule the visibility of this block by setting a start and end date. Once set, the block will only appear during that time. Now click on Save Changes. It will reflect here. You can use this toggle button to enable or disable the block. You can continue adding as many blocks as you want in the same way. To add products, use this block. Enter the product name, description, price, product link, and upload the product image. Click on Save Changes. You can add multiple product blocks to your page. Now we'll add a contact form. Add your custom message here. Then enter the email address where you want to receive messages from this form. Click on Save Changes. Now, users can fill in their email and message to contact you directly. You can also use the phone call block to add your number. Visitors can click it to call you directly. Rearrange the order of blocks as needed by dragging and dropping them. Use a divider block to organize sections visually on your bio page. Choose the style, color, and height of the divider. To add simple text, use the text block. Add your message and click Save Changes. Use the tagline block to add a short description under your name. Now let's add social links to your bio page. Use the drop-down to select your desired social media platform. Enter your link and click Add. Once done, scroll down and choose where the social buttons appear, at the top, bottom, or not at all. Add multiple social links as needed. You can drag and drop them to rearrange the order. To preview your bio page on desktop, click on View Bio. Next, let's move to the design section to make your bio page visually appealing. Start by choosing a header layout. I'm selecting the second option. To add a banner image to your header, upload an image from your system or download one from royalty-free sites like pexels.com. I'm searching for a nature background and downloading a small-sized image under 500 kilobytes. Upload the image, it will now appear on your bio page. You can also apply predefined themes to your bio. Explore how your page looks with different themes. Customize your theme by selecting fonts, text colors, and more. Set a background for your page. You can use a solid color, gradient, or an image. I'll search for an abstract background. Make sure to use a vertical or portrait image. Download the small or medium size and upload it. Let's preview how it looks on desktop. Use the button customization section to personalize the look and feel of buttons on your bio page. Now, let's head to the settings section. Here, you can set the meta title, meta description, meta image, and custom favicon, all important for SEO and boosting your organic presence. Toggle to enable or disable your avatar. Choose the avatar shape, rounded or rectangular, using the drop-down menu. If your page contains sensitive content, enable the content warning option. Visitors will see a warning and must click Continue to view your page. You can enable or disable a cookie pop-up. Add a share button to your page using the toggle. Here's how it looks. You can also remove branding from your page. This feature is available with premium plans. To restrict access to your bio page, you can protect it with a password. Share the password only with specific users. I've set a password. Now, when I refresh the page, it asks me to enter the password. This is how password protection works. To track visits, you can add tracking pixels or custom codes. I'll demonstrate with a sample pixel. Go to Tracking Pixels. Choose your pixel provider, give your pixel a name, and enter the pixel tag you created. Click Add Pixel. Now return to your bio page and start editing. Go to Settings, Targeting Pixels. You'll see the pixel you created earlier. You can select multiple pixels if needed. If you have custom CSS, you can enter it here and save. And that's how you create a beautiful functional bio page. Go to the Data section to view messages sent via your contact form. You'll also receive these via email. In the Statistics section, you can see an overview of all your bio page visits by country, city, platform, browser, language, and referrers. Click on View All to apply filters and view specific data. That's how the bio page looks on desktop. Click the three dots to open the menu. From here, you can view statistics, create a custom QR code, or edit the bio page. That's it for this tutorial. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you.